everyone, and welcome back to another keyboard video. Today we'll be checking out the Marvo Pro X80 Aluminium Mechanical Keyboard, which has been very kindly sent out to me by Marvo. This is the X80 Mechanical Keyboard in this fantastic new red colour, and I'm really excited to share it with you. Inside the box, let's just dig right in. We've got a nice keyboard cover, the actual keyboard, a little accessories pouch which has a USB-C cable, very interesting kind of switch and keycap pull tool which just collapses and folds out like this. We've also got two spare switches and the metal cover plate. Also, what's cool about the Marvo is that it's got a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle as well as Bluetooth and of course USB support. And now taking out the keyboard from its wrapper, we can see its amazing red colour in this aluminium, and it's just extremely heavy. I'm gonna get the scale out in a sec to give it away, but let's just take a look at the back, and here we can already see its amazing counterweight. Let's get a peel in right there, and this is absolutely fantastic. I love the mirror stainless steel finish, it looks fantastic. Now let's see how heavy this thing actually is. And the X80 comes in at a whopping 1.82 kilograms, which is absolutely insane. And I think without further ado, let's see what all this weight packs with a sound test. And my first impressions after typing on the X80 are, I am really impressed. The keyboard design has 5 layers of internal padding, which consists of a variety of different chamber designs such as a special sandwich foam, sound pads, an underswitch pad, and a really special tuned seat cushion, which all in all just gives you this really satisfying clicky, thocky sound, which I love. It really sounds like marble sort of when you're typing. It's just so satisfying. The keycaps themselves are also really cool. These are the original Marvo design PBT heat sublimination keycaps and just look really fantastic with the RGB effect. They really complement also the red, the grey, the white really nicely together. What's cool about the Marvo is it also has the 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth support. The dongle really conveniently slots into that little place, and on the back we've got this metal switch which you can use to toggle between Bluetooth, cable or 2.4 GHz. Also, what's cool is the Marvo has a 5000 mAh battery if you take one of the max models, and it's been designed with B, with T and I. And here just get another close-up look at the actual back. And I'm absolutely digging this design. It has so many like little attention to details things that I absolutely love. The only thing I wish I would have seen would have been a braided cable. However, if you're in the keyboard scene, you probably already have your cable, so you can use your own or the 2.4 GHz wireless. And again, it just slots in here with this little tiny faceplate with again attention to detail X80 engraved into it. The keycap and switch puller, it looks insane. I haven't really tried this out yet, and I think it's quite over-engineered, but I absolutely love it. And yeah, the RGB effect is really nice. It's got this very subtle and amazing glow to it. The little X symbol in the top metal frame looks fantastic, and keycaps just work so well together. All in all, I am really impressed by the price. The quality, the actual build quality at this price ratio is absolutely insane. I would have expected this keyboard to cost maybe twice or 3 times as much, considering the amount of detail, quality and build that's in this keyboard. What's also really cool about the X80 is the keycaps aren't only designed for Windows, but they've also added the Mac command control buttons into the keycaps, so I really enjoy that little detail, again going into this attention to detail feeling. Really considerate of Marvo to include Mac users as well, since you might not be using this only for gaming but also for productivity. If you don't like the red colour, it comes in a variety of different colours. Only thing to note is that the X80 standard in grey, black and white has a 4000 mAh battery, whereas the white, red and grey and all other models, they come with the 5000 mAh battery. All in all, I really do dig the X80 and it's definitely worth checking out in my opinion. If you're looking for a new keyboard that's made out of completely aluminium and is really customizable, then definitely give this one a check. And I would like to say thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.